We gotta get something right.
Must have done something right. These four sons of mine sure love their mama through the storms and the time. Wouldn't trade them for the world. Each other's best